Looking through my rear view, I'm in my future. The present's right now, but you know I gotta shoot the film. How I do, yeah. I will hit you with a razor like a scooter. I am faster than a souped up Supra because I'm so intelligent. All these other motherfuckers spitting, they irrelevant. I'm sick of all these motherfuckers just peddling, trying to fuck with me, but you know I'm never hesitant. I drop it, cause you know the flow be dropping. My flow on point, call me John Stockton. Back in the day, I was smacking that fucking math, might as well make the pay. Got caught up, arrested just a couple times, locked up behind bars, damn, that was trouble crimes. Matter of fact, cause I wasn't using my mind, but now I just abuse all the time. I do my shit inconspicuous, cause I'm a dawn and I don't give a fuck, dog, better sick of this. This is the sickness, kinda like the flu. Your bitch wanted chill with me, she gave me brains, that is her initiatives, you know. Yeah, I got that Boston swag and I got a bad bitch, she be coughing bags. Talk about that Christina, fuck it dog, got the 9 kinda like a Nina. They dance like ballerina, man, I'm puffing on the reefer and I don't give a fuck. That's my street sweeper. Kill you lyrically, you hearing me? But you fearing me? Pass it to Cam, cause we gon' spit this. A smoker like grass in the land, far away that you couldn't even see. But it's the beast in me.
Yeah, it's the beast in we. Nigga, you know how we run these streets. So deep with Air Force on my feet. So fly like Air Force on my back. Know that when it's a rap. Man, it's a rap. Picture that. Picture crack on the track. It's like that. Motherfuckers all fight back. A tight whack. Now I don't give a fuck like that. I like rap, so I bring it back on the track. It's like that. Motherfuckers whack when they snap. Song black, you don't know me, go see how to smoke a OZ, gripping on that Glock, aim it to your fucking nose piece, chrome me, lay you on the motherfucking flow, see how I wanna rip it when I go up to your dome, G, how you wanna spit it when you smoking on that OZ, fuck a window, man, I'm blowing endo with my homie, blow me, bitch, you don't even fucking know me, and if you had a chance to know me, you would probably blow me, but I don't want your motherfucking tongue, I'd rather fuck your motherfucking ass, bitch, flip your ass gymnastics, stretch that motherfucking pussy, man, bitch, get that motherfucker to me. I'ma take your girl and make her fuck your world and tell all my homeboys gonna be saying yo girl was on my dick too. Nigga, you know the shit too will rip through up little puppy motherfucker spit through any motherfucker like a holy ghost. You know my motherfucking flow will overdose and roast your toast. If you want a motherfucker flow with me, you know it's dope. And I fucking go Air Force One, know it's hope. Motherfucker thinking about the fly kicks. Man, I fucking rhyme this track like a motherfucker blinded. I sign this fine bitch titty. Pour some champagne on the fucking titty. Like we run the city. You could call me Diddy. Now I don't give a fuck now. Stick it in a fine ass. You can call me Butt Child. Rip the motherfucking fuck wild. Bitch, I'm dumb wild.